Next deeper color would be for blue. Next deeper color would be for yellow. No deeper color, pure yellow should be for their green and black. Okay, that is our expected result. So unfortunately we didn't open in the evening, we left it in dark as such. So none of the test tubes received light, so no plant performed photosynthesis. All performed respiration, hence all the test tubes turned into yellow light. Okay, suppose photosynthesis jaragaledu. Okay, no light or no photosynthesis, it becomes yellow. Simple. So how it works? Because it works on the concentrations of CO2. Ikkada high carbon dioxide, because it releases carbon dioxide. Ikkada low carbon dioxide. Maybe I have to reverse the arrows, because first I'll write the flow chart. Please have it. So inclined place లో పెట్టేసి కాస్త నీళ్ళు ఇక్కడ వదిలినారంటే it will wash away the excess between. Then tissue paper తీసుకొని బాగా వైప్ ఆఫ్ చేసేసి అబ్జర్వ్ అండ్ మైక్రోస్కోప్. ఓకే, ఒక చిన్న రౌండ్ చేసుకున్నారంటే పెన్ తో పాటు, so it will be very flexible. Okay, what you have to do is you have to dip in the curd. Peru. Okay, so you have to dip. So ఇందులో వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఓకే, then just gently wipe like. Okay, it just వచ్చింది కదా. సో ఇది హీట్. సో ఎక్సెస్ వాటర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఎవాపరేట్ అవుతుంది. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం కర్డ్ అనేది ఆ బ్యాక్టీరియా అనేది స్లైట్లీ ఫిక్స్ అయిపోతుంది. సో దిస్ స్టెప్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ హీట్ ఫిక్సేషన్ స్టెప్. ఓకే, సో యూ కెన్ సీ ద డిఫరెన్స్. యా मैडम, कैंडल से वो स्मोक आता है, होता है लेकिन नीचे स्मोक आता है माइक्रोस्कोप पे इल्यूमिनेशन. सो ओके सर, so one drop is enough. Okay, allow it to soak for 2 or 3 minutes. Gentle wash. So in a pettesi you have to take some water, proper. So all excess we will do is wash. Then paina touch cheyakunda just wipe off the excess. Yeah, now you can expose to microscope and you can see the bacteria. Clear sir? Any doubts? So first you have to take a clean slide and curd using this tube. You have to dip it and gently smear it. Okay? Then So whatever we saw is just like this kind of dots we saw. Okay. So this dark blue dots are called as bacteria. So దీనికి background మనకి clouds లాగా పెరుగుతుంది. Yeah. So please don't get confused with curd and the bacteria. Bacteria is the dark dots. What you saw is called bacteria. This dark dots actually if you expose to more magnification. Shall we do it? The procedure is very simple. Okay. This is for animal cell. You have to take a clean slide with the help of the ice cream stick. You have to keep it inside the mouth and you have to gently scrape. So you will scrape chesi whatever comes to on the slide. You have to take a slide and paste it like this. Dani meeda 1 or 2 drops of methylene blue. Basic. Don't need to wash, no need to heat it. Just directly expose it under microscope. Okay? You have to put cover slips. Okay? To avoid contamination. Clear that, sir? So you have to take a clean slide. You have to take a ice cream stick. Scoop it inside your inner chin. Transfer the
Exactly 1 minute. Anil is there. So Anil will tell us the time. He'll blow a whistle. We have to start counting our breath. Breath means both inhalation as well as exhalation. So complete deep breath and you have to relax. So this is 1 breath. So number of breath per minute you have to count and note it down. Is it okay? So Anil will count as he'll blow a whistle. You have to start. Again he'll blow a whistle. You have to stop. So what is the number you have to mention somewhere in your book. Okay sir? Shall we do it? Please sit, relax, comfortable. Okay? So no touchings with the other colleagues. Please be relaxed. Yeah? So just stop. Please after exercise. Yeah?
teachers know there is necessity of oxygen. So oxygen is required for cells to do work. So two things. So one is we are doing activity. I am shouting or I am talking. My muscles here are working. My vocal cords are moving. I am moving my hands. So my muscles are moving. Correct? So each and every part of body is moving. So muscles are working. So for anything to work, what it requires? Energy. So who is supplying energy? Food. So it is our digestive system which is supplying energy. Means we are eating food. Our digestive system processes and gives the end product to our cells. What is the end product? Glucose. So maximum we eat is carbohydrates which will be broken down into glucose, and our digestive system gives glucose to all the cells. Of course in between there are certain processes. Now oxygen, it comes to our respiratory tract up to lungs, alveoli. From there it joins blood and goes to cell. There what happens? Oxidation of this glucose happens so as the energy is released. We will do the small activity. In your trays, spoon is there. Okay? Glucose is there. Okay? You have to do two things. You have to take 1 spoon or half spoon of glucose, burn over spirit lamp. Okay? Then repeat the same thing with sugar. Sugar is there in your trays. Okay? Repeat the same thing with sugar. అర్ధ చెంచాను ఒక చెంచాను గ్లూకోజ్ తీసుకోండి, బర్న్ చేయండి, డైరెక్ట్ బర్న్. అది అయిన తర్వాత ఇంకొక స్పూన్ తోటి షుగర్ బర్న్ చేయండి. మీరు గ్లూకోజ్ ఎంత అయితే బర్న్ చేస్తున్నారో షుగర్ కూడా అంతే క్వాంటిటీ బర్న్ చేయండి. రెండింటికి డిఫరెన్స్ చూడండి, టైం కూడా నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఫర్ కంప్లీట్ బర్నింగ్ ఆఫ్ గ్లూకోజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద టైం రిక్వైర్డ్? ఫర్ కంప్లీట్ బర్నింగ్ ఆఫ్ sugar what is the time required? Please. Sugar takes more time. Yeah. So except one group, all other groups got sugar takes more time than compared to glucose. Yeah. Yeah. So I want your attention, teachers. Yeah. So glucose heat just here mentioned. So what is glucose? Of course, it is a white powder. What happens next when you start eating? So it melt. Then black color. It boils, yeah. Then it turns into black residue, yeah. Where C6H12O6 breaks down into pyruvic acid or phosphoglyceric acid, which again enters the mitochondria. Okay, with the help of acetyl-CoA enzyme, it again further breaks down and finally it forms. So, ఇక్కడ కూడా మీకు అదే వచ్చింది. మెల్ట్ అయిందంటే ఏమి? You can see some liquid droplets. So, black smoke వచ్చింది. It is nothing but carbon dioxide plus water also you got. So, end products here also same thing. Clear, sir? So same oxidation of glucose happens inside of our body. Of course, inside it won't happen in this way. Here, just to show what is oxidation, nothing but to supply energy, it combines with atmospheric oxygen and burns, releasing carbon dioxide, water and energy, one or the other form. Inside also same products. Clear, sir? Get it? So human beings have different kinds of blood groups. Okay, the blood groups, known blood groups are blood group may come up. Already one blood group has come, which is called as Bombay blood group. Yeah. So this 8 blood groups, how they have been identified and what is the basic principle involved in it, I'll explain in 2 minutes. Later on, we can do this activity. Yeah. So Karl Landsteiner was the first first person to invent this blood groups during World War. It happened in 1910. Okay. So how these blood groups are identified is because we all know our blood contains three kinds of cells: RBC, WBC, and platelets. Okay. So in that RBC we know it is also called as erythrocyte, which is flat disc-shaped cell present inside the blood. Clear, sir? On the surface of RBC, there are certain antigens. So RBC మన blood లో ఉంటుంది. RBC shape is flattened disc shape or biconcave, you can say. Sorry, biconcave. Yeah. So on the surface of that cell, there are certain antigens present. Okay. These antigens are responsible for blood. So what is antigen? Antigen is nothing but any body which can induce the production of antibodies. Okay. Antigen ఏమంటామంటే, so anything which can produce antibodies against it is called as antigen. So RBC మీద antigens ఉంటాయి. ఈ antigens బేస్ చేసుకొని blood groups decide చేస్తాం. Okay. Clear, sir? Suppose A antigen is present, then the blood group is called as A. If B antigen is present, the blood group is B. If both of these antigens are present, AB. If no antigen is present, simple. Okay? మన బ్లడ్ లో తీసుకున్నప్పుడు RBC ఉంటుంది. RBC మీద A antigen ఉంటే ఆ blood group A, B ఉంటే B, రెండు ఉంటే AB, AB లేకపోతే. Okay? So along with it is, if suppose our RBC has got RH factor or RH antigen, then it is positive. If our RBC does not have that, it is negative. That's all. Simple. Okay? So mana blood మీద A and RBC లో A antigen ఉంటే ఆ corresponding blood group madhyane decide చేస్తాం. So how this is decided is simple. So up to here it is clear, right? So same 3 drops here take. Drop number 1, 2, 3. Anti-serum. Okay. What anti-serum you add? You'll add anti-serum A, anti-serum B, anti-serum D. Okay. So daily add చేస్తున్నాడు మన blood. ఎందుకు anti-serum add చేస్తున్నాడంటే, because we have blood, right? So antigens మన దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి, but these are not visible. It is difficult to see erythrocytes. RBC చూడడం కష్టం. Correct? We don't have that much high illumination microscope. So RBC నే చూడలేము, ఇంకా దాని మీద ఉన్న antigens అసలే చూడలేము. So we are following the reverse mechanism. Okay? So anti-serum is nothing but antibody. Anti-serum is nothing but antibody. So always antigen, antibodies react with each other and form clumps or precipitate. So rendu సరిజల్పి coagulate అయితే. So which antibodies react with antigens? Suppose A antigen ఉంటే A antibody తో రియాక్ట్ అవుతుంది, అంతేగాని A antibody B antigen తో రియాక్ట్ కావు. So corresponding antigen reacts with corresponding antibody, or corresponding antibody reacts with corresponding antigen, and they form clumps. If suppose I have taken antibody B and I have given to antigen A, so they won't react. Though antigen antibody is there, they won't react because they are not from the same group, corresponding antibody. So he does not know, the person who is doing the test does not know which antigen is present in the blood. మనకు తెలియదు కదా, తెలియదు. మన blood లో ఏ antigen ఉందో మనకి తెలియదు. So మనకి he is giving all the antibodies to the blood. Okay? మన దగ్గర ఏ antibodies available లో ఉన్నాయో అన్ని ఇస్తున్నాడు సేమ్ blood. అందుకే 3 drops ఇస్తున్నాడు, 3 antibodies. So after few seconds, okay, he saw the result like this. So మెష్ చేస్తామంటే coagulation జరిగింది, అలానే So means that antibody B has shown reaction. Means it has shown reaction means his blood has got antigen B. So he has given antibody A also, but no reaction because there is no antigen A. His blood has not shown reaction with antibody D. So he has no antigen D. Antigen D is nothing but antigen R. Same. Okay. So the blood group is B negative. Negative because there is no RH antigen. B because there is no A. And only this. Now, one person has gone for checkup, and after performing all this, this is the result. That is the result. No coagulation in any drop. O negative or AB positive. Just take O negative or AB positive. It can be any of anything. Please think. So, to think, you have to understand this mechanism. So, antibody, antigen. Yes, like इधर भी प्रेसिपिटेट नहीं फॉर्म फॉर्मेट पूरे 3 ड्रॉप्स क्लियर जैसा ये ऐसा ये क्लियर एंटी सीरा ऐड करेंगे कौन सा पड़ा सो मैडम इज सेइंग O नेगेटिव और सम ऑफ द पेशेंट्स आल्सो से O नेगेटिव पक्का O नेगेटिव श्योर यस इट इज O नेगेटिव if it has to be AB positive means how the result should be so you understood the principle so this is AB positive. Yeah. So now you have got sheets based on with your pens you can mark. So here actually మనకు ప్రింట్ రాలేదు ఇట్ సైడ్ A positive AB negative O positive O negative వచ్చింది ఇట్ సైడ్ కూడా ఫస్ట్ వన్ A positive A negative We discussed 2 minutes about blood transfusions because very important. Blood transfusions. So which is the universal acceptor? Universal acceptor or universal recipient? Blood AB. Positive or negative? AB So anything, whether it is positive or negative doesn't matter. So AB blood group is the universal recipient. Why? He can receive blood from A, from B, from AB. Why? No sir. No. So see, blood group is AB means ఆ blood group AB అంటే అందులో యాంటీజెన్ A ఉంది B ఉంది. So ఏముండదు కాబట్టి he is a universal recipient. So this blood group does not have any antibodies. This blood group AB blood group does not have got any antibodies. That's why he can receive blood from any antigen. Sorry, any blood group. Clear sir? So ఇందులో ఇచ్చిన యాంటీబాడీస్ లేవు కాబట్టి నో రియాక్షన్ ఇందులో ఇచ్చిన యాంటీబాడీస్ లేవు కాబట్టి నో రియాక్షన్ సపోజ్ okay and AB person is giving blood to him what happens okay let us see case by case B person wants blood A is ready to give what happens why so this blood group has got B antigen and what antibodies it has got opposite antibodies so it has got A antibodies suppose this person is giving blood to him so he is carrying A antigen
So this A antigen and this A antibody will react, and what happens? They will form clumps in the blood vessels. So no blood flow, blood circulation stops. So immunity dies. Same case with this. What happens? Same antigen, same antibodies. So no problem. Here, same problem. So no. Here, so what is the case with this? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Because this is universal donor and this is the blood group which is O. O means no antigen at all. So no A antigen, no B antigen. Okay? So we can give. Clear, sir? So you have to cut along with the outer border line. Okay? So ikkada glue ane portion undi kada danni cut cheyadandi. Please cut straight here. Here. Glue portion alage unchandi. Then this side tapering undi kada. So cut along with it. So oka side diamond shape chustaru meeku tapering along side cut cheyandi, paina straight ga cut cheyandi. Glue portion alage unchaniyanడి. Cut on the borders, keeping the glue portion as such. So ఈ template యూజ్ చేసుకొని మీరు any cycle you can teach. ఇలా లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి 1 2 3 4. సో ఫోల్డింగ్ along with the lines. స్కేల్ ఉంది, స్కేల్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఫోల్డ్ చేసేయండి. బోత్ ఇలా ఒకసారి బాగా ఫోల్డ్ చేయండి. మీరు ఎంత బాగా ఫోల్డ్ చేస్తే అంత బాగా మోడల్ తయారైంది. సో సేమ్ థింగ్ ఒక సైడ్ అయిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ది అదర్ సైడ్, దిస్ సైడ్. సో ఆల్ 4 sides you have to fold. Come. Then slowly push the snakes inside. 1 2 3. Okay? Also inside. You will be pushing snakes inside, then frogs, then butterflies. When you push butterflies inside, from inside snakes will come out. Okay? So take that snake's cover out, glue portion will be there. Push frogs inside, then push butterflies also. When you push butterflies inside, other side snakes will come out. Take the flap of the snake, apply glue on the base, stick the snake. Sir, వచ్చిందా?